Okay, so I've made this video because there isn't an equivalent one on the internet. If you have a draining problem with an Ikea Kallboda dishwasher, you need to take the filter out, which sits like this, and you just pop it out. And I've also lifted the rotating arm out, that just lifts out. As part of lifting that out, you should clean it, just run a tap through it. But if it's not draining and it's alarming and it beeps continually and it's really annoying, what the impeller for the thing, if you can bring the camera in just a little bit, the impeller is under here, and that pumps it out, and it's behind this white plastic thing. Now, in order to get to it, you need a spoon, and you have to just gently move the spoon. I'm trying to get past my assistant here, lovely, and you need to just carefully pry it away, and it'll come out like that, and then you can lift it out. And that covers the impeller. And oops, knocks it back in again. And what they suggest you do is you check that there's nothing jamming up the impeller in there, which you can't quite see because of the light, but it's that white thing that's protruding out, and that spins, and it's, according to the local representative, extremely sensitive, and they ask you to look for bits of toothpicks or broken glass or something, and clear it off. Now, I've done that, and what I pulled off of it is here, if you back off the camera. That was wrapped around the propeller, and I phoned them up and said, is that likely the case? And they reckon it is. So I've taken it off, I've given it a clean, and now I'll pop that back in. If you bring the camera back in, you've got to pop it, and it should click like that. And then if you press it, you'll hear it click like that, and that's it back in shape. So when it was failing, this whole area was just full of water, and it would start beeping. So having cleaned the filter and then cleaned that, I'm hoping I've sort of solved the problem. So we'll run a test and then we'll see. So this is part 2 of the repair journey for this Ikea dishwasher, and it might apply to your own dishwasher. I had the local service rep come out as part of the kind of warranty that comes with the thing when you buy it, and explained the problem that it wasn't draining, and he went through the various steps, including popping the impeller cover off like I showed before. And it turns out that the challenge is, the way it works is water actually comes in through here, and when there's enough water, it will do a quick pressure test through here, and he showed me how that works. He was able to have the machine running with the door open because he had a small device that tricks the machine into thinking, a small magnet that tricks the machine into thinking it's closed, so you can watch it work. And what happens is when there isn't enough pressure, it basically aborts the cycle straight away. So there was nothing wrong with the machine. It turned out that there was a problem with my water supply. So I've changed that, and now the device works just fine. So that could be the problem. You might think that it's not draining and therefore it's a pump problem, but it is possibly masking a water supply problem.